2025 Eugene Marathon. Feeling ready. I controlled everything I could. Prediction time? Goal is 3:30. I'm gonna guess 3:28. Go time. 5K in. First gel. Running at a 4:38 kilometer pace. 10 kilometers in. Third gel. Running out of 4:40. Let's go. It's for you, Dayton. I miss you. Kilometers in. Fourth gel. Running out of 4:22. Feeling good. Bro, look at this. Still cooking. I think it's gel 5. We're at kilometer 20. Almost halfway there. Time to turn around. Do it all over again. That's kilometer 25. Gel number 6. Running at a 4:44. Starting to fatigue. We're pushing. It's for you, Dayton. Oh. Kilometer 35. Dying. Gel 7. Oh my God. Oh.